Hey guys, welcome back to the third video of Bitcoin series update videos. And in this video, we're going to talk about why the recent dump that happened from all-time high of Bitcoin that was almost 70,000 to this that it has reached almost $32,000. Okay. In our previous videos, we have talked about how the Bitcoin is going to reach this level and then come down from here and reach and break this level. If you haven't watched those videos, please go ahead and watch them first so that you'll be able to understand what we are talking about in this video. And now let's start this video. Okay, so in the recent video we talked about the Bitcoin is gonna reach this supply zone because there was a supply zone forming here. So Bitcoin is going to reach this supply zone, which is rally based drop supply zone, and get the supply from here and then go down in order to break this zone. Okay, now Bitcoin reached this level. Okay, and here you can see after reaching this level there was a supply here which a lot of sellers came in, and then this supply was not enough for Bitcoin to go down and break this level. Okay, so that's why it did get supply, but that supply was not enough to break this level. So it went low towards this level and it reached almost 39,000, and then after that it again started to move in the bullish direction. So after that what happened is, here you can see I'm on a daily time frame, so we are talking about the long-term prediction of Bitcoin. Okay, so after that what happened is, from this low the market went in the bullish direction and it broke this all-time high, okay, which was almost 65,000, and made another all-time high which is almost $69,000. Okay, so after the formation of this all-time high, here a lot of supply came in. Okay, it did not get enough supply at this level, but here a lot of supply came in, and that's why it has been going downwards since that. Okay, so here you can see from here to here the market is in the bearish direction, and now the market has reached this level which we have talked about in all of our videos. So again the market has come here to test this level. So there are two possibilities. Okay, the first possibility is that the market will break this level and go down, okay, and reach this imbalance as well. The second possibility is the market will bounce back a little bit, go in the upward direction or bullish direction a little bit, and then come back to break this zone. So what we're saying is that this zone is being tested and has been tested a lot of times, and this is a good zone. So this zone will be broken and the Bitcoin might go upward a little bit and then come down to break this zone. So it creates an opportunity for traders who want to keep Bitcoin for long term and trade in Bitcoin for long term. So here is a good opportunity. If the Bitcoin reaches this $28,000 level, there will be a good opportunity to place buy trades. Okay, and another thing is, if it reaches this level, there is a very good chance that it will also come down to the $22,000 level. So what you can do here in the long term, you can put pending orders for $28,000 level and $22,000 level. Okay, and that will be a very good trade. Now after reaching those levels and breaking these levels, Bitcoin is gonna move again in the bullish direction. So these lows are an opportunity for buyers who want to come into market and want to keep the Bitcoin for long term. Okay, again, if you haven't watched the previous videos, please go ahead and watch them first. I have put the links in the description so that you can go there and click on them and watch those videos. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I would love to answer them. Also, you can subscribe to our channel so that you'll be the first one to know whenever we upload any content. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.